If you could earn $100 for a single game tested, could you say no to that? This method of making money online is 100% real and does not require any experience. You only need your computer or smartphone with internet access to start making anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per day just to play games. How cool is that? This is literally once-in-a-lifetime chance. This is something that will improve your financial status, and there is no investment needed to do this. Anyone can start making money today with this simple method that I'm about to show you. No credit card is required, and you can sit back and watch the money roll in. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my Money Crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. The website I'm about to show you will pay you to just test games. How amazing is that? Everyone's favorite activity is to play games, but to earn money while doing it? Now that's an irresistible offer. Make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important steps. I've heard some people skipped some sections of this video and ended up not getting paid, so make sure you pay close attention to what I'll be explaining in this video. Now before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos, which I'm making for you to start making money online. Now, why would you do anything for free when you could be getting paid for it? I'm sure you love playing video games in your free time, so why not earn some money while doing it? People from all around the globe are going crazy about this website, all because it's such an easy way of earning money online. You can turn your time spent playing mobile games into money today. This website is called playtestcloud.com. Playtestcloud.com is a free platform that allows people to test smartphone games and earn money. Playtest Cloud is the solution for modern and effortless mobile usability and playtesting. Their mission is to build the best usability and playtesting tools for game studios. Today, with usability testing being more important than ever, the existing solutions often can't keep up with the fast-moving gaming market. So they've built Playtest Cloud to fix this. PlaytestCloud.com is trusted by thousands of producers, user researchers, and game designers. I've provided the link to the website in the description below. Now, I want you all to pay close attention to what I'll be showing you. First, we need to go to playtestcloud.com. Here, we can see the sign up button. But that sign up button is for game developers who want to get their games tested, and we will become game testers in just a few minutes. In order to become a game tester, head over to the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and click on them. That should show you a list of options to choose from. The option that we're interested in is this one, which says Become a Tester. Click on the Become a Tester button and wait a few seconds. After you've done that, a sign-up form will appear. Right here, you need to put in your details and register your free account. Put in your email address, full name, and mobile games you play weekly. The type of games you put in here will later determine what kind of games you will be testing on your mobile device. You can also provide some games that you play on your computer, but that won't make a difference. Choose the devices you own right here and fill out the remaining necessities. And I have a small tip for you guys. Be sure to check this box right here so you can receive monthly news about playtesting and new games to test. Now, when you're done filling in the info needed, click on the Start Testing Games button. That will take you to this screen. Now you just need to go into your inbox and verify your account from the confirmation link that will be sent to you. It's really that simple. Create a free account, verify it, and start making money by testing games. Anyone can do this because it's so easy and fun at the same time. When you've verified your account from the link sent into your inbox, you will need to download the app for a 5-minute qualification. Don't worry, it's completely safe and free. People are reporting that they've earned over $1,200 in a month just by testing games on their smartphones. This app you downloaded and installed will teach you how to test games. This is necessary because game developers love feedback, and since you're a game tester now, you must know how to properly give them information they want to know, and in exchange, you get paid for it. When you open it, you will be given a demo game to test. It is recommended for you to be alone and reduce any noise that could interrupt your game testing, as well as to have a pair of headphones. This demo testing is unpaid because it just teaches you how you should test games. All you need to do is to provide a valid commentary while you play the game. But don't worry, it's really simple. All of the instructions needed will be provided by the app itself. You just need to follow them to start testing games and earning money. When you have successfully passed your qualification, you will receive new games to test on your email. Make sure you check your inbox daily because game testing is time-limited and you don't want to miss out on any opportunity to make free money. All you need to do is to download the game from the link you'll be given in your inbox, install it, and test it. After you're finished testing, your feedback will be sent to the developers and you'll get paid for it. And the best part is, you will receive games to test almost daily. The games you will be receiving will be similar to those you provided while registering on the website. Making money has never been easier, and my research will help you to earn extra money. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.